Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, the channel where we dive deep into the world's most incredible vessels, from luxury yachts to hard-working maritime marvels. I'm your host, Sir Boats, and today we're exploring a true workhorse of the seas, the Damen PSV 3300. This platform supply vessel is designed to support offshore operations with unmatched efficiency, and it's packed with innovative features that make it stand out in the maritime industry. Whether you're a boating enthusiast, a professional in the offshore sector, or just curious about what makes this vessel tick, stick around as we break down its key features, design, interior, performance, and unique selling points. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a voyage with Sir Boats Yacht. Let's get started. The Damen PSV 3300 is a medium-sized platform supply vessel built to deliver goods, equipment, and personnel to offshore platforms, rigs, and other installations. Measuring 80.1 meters in length with a beam of 16.2 meters, it's a robust yet agile vessel designed for global operations. One of its standout features is its ability to carry a significant cargo load, up to 700 square meters of deck space, which is about 10% more than its predecessors. This makes it ideal for transporting everything from drilling equipment to food supplies for offshore crews. The vessel is also equipped with dynamic positioning, DP2, which allows it to maintain its position with pinpoint accuracy, even in rough seas, thanks to its azimuthing thrusters and bow thrusters. What's really impressive is its versatility. The PSV 3300 isn't just a cargo hauler. It's prepped for firefighting, FIFI-1, and oil recovery duties, making it a multi-role vessel that can adapt to various offshore challenges. You can also customize it with options like extra accommodation for crew, support for remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, or even a walk-to-work system for safe personnel transfers. For those in the industry, this means the PSV 3300 can be tailored to specific operational needs, whether you're working in the North Sea or off the coast of Brazil. For the rest of us, it's like having a Swiss Army knife on the water, ready for almost anything. Another key feature is its adherence to Damen's E3 principles: environmentally friendly, efficient in operation, and economically viable. This isn't just marketing talk. The PSV 3300 is designed to reduce fuel consumption and emissions, which is a big deal in today's eco-conscious maritime world. Its diesel-electric propulsion system, paired with a sleek hull, ensures it sips fuel compared to older vessels, without sacrificing power. Whether you're an operator looking to cut costs or just someone who loves efficient engineering, this feature makes the PSV 3300 a vessel worth paying attention to. Let's talk about the design of the PSV 3300, because this is where Damen's engineering brilliance really shines. The vessel's exterior is instantly recognizable, with a sleek, modern aesthetic that's both functional and eye-catching. Unlike older, boxier supply vessels, the PSV 3300 has slender hull lines and a distinctive bow that cuts through waves with ease. This design isn't just about looking good, it's the result of extensive computational fluid dynamics (CFD) studies and hull testing at the Maritime Research Institute Netherlands Marin. The goal: to minimize slamming in rough seas and optimize fuel efficiency, even when the vessel is fully loaded. The hull itself is a masterpiece of engineering. It's built to balance a high cargo capacity with low fuel consumption, which is no easy feat. The PSV 3300's slender lines reduce water resistance, while its anti-roll tanks help keep it stable in choppy conditions. This means smoother rides for the crew and less wear and tear on the cargo. The vessel's smooth surfaces and lack of sharp angles also improve the durability of its coatings, which is a small but important detail for keeping maintenance costs down over time. On deck, the PSV 3300 is designed for maximum functionality. The 700 square meter cargo deck is laid out to make loading and unloading as efficient as possible, with plenty of space for containers, pipes, or other equipment. The deck is also equipped with lashing points and optional cranes, so you can secure and handle cargo with ease. For safety, the vessel features high-quality railings and non-slip surfaces, which are critical when you're working in wet, windy conditions offshore. The bridge is positioned high for excellent visibility, and the vessel's compact superstructure keeps the center of gravity low, improving stability. One thing I love about the PSV 3300's design is how it balances form and function. It's not a flashy superyacht, but every curve, every line, and every component is there for a reason. It's like a well-tailored suit, practical, durable, and just sharp enough to turn heads at the shipyard. Whether you're a naval architect or just someone who appreciates smart design, the PSV 3300's thoughtful engineering is something to admire. Now, let's step inside the PSV 3300 and check out its interior. This isn't a luxury yacht with marble countertops and chandeliers, but for a working vessel, the PSV 3300 offers a surprisingly comfortable and practical interior. The focus here is on functionality and crew comfort, which is crucial when you're spending weeks at sea in challenging conditions. The vessel can accommodate up to 20 crew members in standard configurations, with the option to add more cabins if needed. Each cabin is designed to be a quiet, restful space, with soundproofing to reduce noise from the engines and the sea. The cabins themselves are compact but well equipped. You've got comfortable bunks, storage for personal belongings, and modern amenities like air conditioning and reliable lighting. Some configurations include en-suite bathrooms, which is a big plus for crew members who value a bit of privacy. The materials used are durable and easy to clean. Think marine-grade finishes that can withstand the salty, humid environment of the ocean. It's not glamorous, but it's practical, and that's what matters when you're working long shifts offshore. The mess and galley areas are where the crew comes together, and Damen has done a great job making these spaces feel welcoming. The galley is equipped with commercial-grade appliances, so the ship's cook can whip up hearty meals to keep everyone fueled. The mess area has ample seating and tables, with large windows that let in natural light and offer views of the sea. This might sound like a small detail, but when you're stuck on a vessel for weeks, those windows can make a big difference to your mood. The bridge is the nerve center of the PSV 3300, and it's designed with both technology and ergonomics in mind. The control stations are laid out intuitively, with large displays for navigation, radar, and dynamic positioning systems. The captain and crew have excellent visibility through wide windows, and the bridge is equipped with noise-reducing materials to keep things calm, even in a storm. There's also a small office area for administrative tasks, which is handy for managing logistics and communicating with shore-based teams. Overall, the PSV 3300's interior is a masterclass in balancing crew comfort with the demands of a working vessel. It's not trying to be a floating palace, it's trying to be a reliable home at sea, and it succeeds. Let's shift gears and talk about how the PSV 3300 performs on the water, because this is where it really flexes its muscles. At the heart of the vessel is its diesel-electric propulsion system, which is both powerful and efficient. The system drives two azimuthing stern thrusters with ducted propellers, giving the PSV 3300 excellent maneuverability. Whether you're docking at an offshore platform or holding position in 4-meter waves, this setup ensures precise control. The vessel's top speed is around 13 to 14 knots, which is respectable for a supply vessel, but its real strength lies in its ability to operate efficiently at cruising speeds while carrying heavy loads. The dynamic positioning (DP2) system is a game-changer for offshore operations. It uses GPS, sensors, and thrusters to keep the vessel in place without anchoring, which is critical when you're transferring cargo or personnel to a platform in rough seas. The DP2 system is backed by redundant power supplies, so even if one engine fails, the vessel can still hold its position. This level of reliability is a big deal in the offshore industry, where downtime can cost millions. Fuel efficiency is another area where the PSV 3300 shines. Thanks to its optimized hull design and diesel-electric propulsion, it burns less fuel than older vessels with similar cargo capacities. Damen claims it's more efficient not just in calm waters but also in rough seas, which is where many vessels guzzle fuel. For operators, this translates to lower operating costs and a smaller environmental footprint. For the rest of us, it's a reminder that modern engineering can make even heavy-duty vessels greener. The PSV 3300 is also built to handle tough conditions. Its CE certification and robust construction mean it can operate in challenging environments, from the icy waters of Newfoundland to the stormy North Sea. The anti-roll tanks and sturdy hull design keep it stable, reducing the risk of cargo shifting or crew fatigue. Whether you're a maritime professional or just someone who geeks out over performance stats, the PSV 3300's blend of power, precision, and efficiency is seriously impressive. So, what makes the Damen PSV 3300 stand out in a crowded field of platform supply vessels? Let's wrap up with its unique selling points, because this vessel has a few tricks up its sleeve that set it apart. First and foremost is its E3 philosophy: environmentally friendly, efficient, and economically viable. In an industry where fuel costs and emissions regulations are major concerns, the PSV 3300's diesel-electric propulsion and optimized hull give it a competitive edge. It's not just about saving money, it's about staying ahead of the curve as the maritime world moves towards sustainability. Another big selling point is its versatility. The PSV 3300 isn't locked into one role. It can handle cargo transport, firefighting, oil recovery, and even specialized tasks like ROV support or personnel transfers. This flexibility makes it a valuable asset for operators who need a vessel that can adapt to different contracts or regions. You can think of it like a multi-tool. It's not the flashiest, but it's the one you reach for when the job gets tough. The vessel's design process is also worth highlighting. Damen didn't just slap together a generic supply vessel. They invested in CFD studies, hull testing, and collaboration between their shipyards in the Netherlands and Romania. The result is a vessel that's been fine-tuned for real-world performance, not just theoretical specs. For buyers, this means confidence that the PSV 3300 will deliver on its promises, whether it's fuel savings or cargo capacity. Finally, Damen's reputation and support network are a huge draw. When you buy a PSV 3300, you're not just getting a vessel, you're getting access to Damen's global network of shipyards, financing options, and lifecycle support. They even offer trade-in programs for older vessels, which is a rare perk in the maritime world. For operators, this means peace of mind knowing that spare parts, maintenance, and upgrades are just a call away. For viewers like you, it's a reminder that the PSV 3300 is backed by a company that's serious about quality. And there you have it, folks, a deep dive into the Damen PSV 3300, a vessel that proves you don't need to be a superyacht to make waves in the maritime world. From its efficient design and versatile features to its comfortable interior and top-notch performance, this platform supply vessel is a shining example of modern engineering. Whether you're in the offshore industry or just love learning about incredible boats, the PSV 3300 is worth celebrating. Thanks for joining me on this journey with Sir Boats Yacht. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow boat lovers, and subscribe for more reviews, tours, and maritime adventures. Let me know in the comments what you think of the PSV 3300 or what vessel you'd like me to cover next. Until then, keep exploring the seas, and I'll see you in the next video. Fair winds and following seas.